I can give a brief overview of the Marist Sports Week concept. It's all about developing not just our athletes, but also our officials. We have 6 sports involved in the Marist Sports Week. There's boxing, sevens rugby, league nines, netball, golf, and such rugby. Like I said, the overall objective is not just to develop our athletes, but also to develop our administrators and officials. Setting a platform for all our sports to, I guess, experience and participate at a high level, building up not only to the Pacific Games 2019 in Samoa, but also other regional and international games. Marist Boxing Club and Sports Club want to promote and I guess change the mindset that you don't have to be a mean, arrogant person to be a good boxer. If you look at some of our top professional boxers, and the likes of Joseph Parker and Anthony Joshua, they're very humble, down to earth, self-disciplined, self-motivated individuals. And that's a concept that Marist Boxing wants to push. We also want to promote the idea that there's different levels of boxing. There's a social level, which we have our corporate boxers, where you can partake in a friendly boxing match under safe conditions. And then also we have the amateur and professional levels. On that note, I'd like to say thank you very much again for taking up the challenge and being here this afternoon.
Ia o evening day mai manhã ia o neva moe fai foi ona mata tu e vi tu se paka e ia na fai a malo mai de flore la fai ia o fai o fa o mai nga pala ile box fu se ko me o kamisa mo
Tano no yo mo che na wan me sa mo mata ya ro representing ya PFC right
alo sai fu ya wa vai ya te pai mo sui le to ke sa wa ya fa nga ta ma ni como poino ya mais after
o apeneiro mai na loia ya manu te sa fai ya o wa o sui o so yes baba go mo so ya vai o no le pa o ni se fa yes o po ya te no pa so an lo ya o le ya pa o la mucho sama mas pa o yo te o so ma ni se do wa
Vai Ula Tour Gas and Shane of Oceania Gas. Respect your opponent at all times. It's a goal in the
Aloha everyone. This is Tofata Wilili Nasa Kauhea all the way from Sabaki. Ready to bury this big fella.
All right, 2018, gonna fight with the real Buddha, NASA. My name is Damaloa Manua, Texas State representing Robeck from Apia and also Fusahotu and Sakawa. My brother, I love you. If the bell ring, you're gonna kiss the phone. Yes? If you need it. Depends how much you got.